So here we have some of the frequencies that I've already inputted. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to have a look. There's my radio going mad. We're going to have a look at settings. There we go. Right, let's have a look and we'll see what or how I've set this up. I've set it so it turns off after 3 hour, beep and everything else I've left alone. More or less all of these things I've left alone. Okay, so PPT delay, etc, etc. If I press the P button once I get the voltage, and if I press and hold I get RX mode. But most of this stuff I've left alone. I've put my call sign in, M7IMI, a couple of spaces MPG so people know my name. But other than that, I've more or less left everything else alone. Okay, you can put banks in, and I've just put one bank in local, and that's all I've done. Right, so that's the settings. One thing I did find was that when I put these frequencies in, I had AMS on, and I found that some of these digital stations were, like this one here, were flicking onto FM or analog all the time, and I had to mess about changing it from analog to digital. So I'll leave AMS off. If I want it on, I'll put it on the radio. I've got one there that's on, and I'm actually going to turn that off. Okay. I think the problem is that I've got other radios around I was transmitting on analog, and it was, with them being really close, it was flicking the digital channels onto analog.